Kopo ba bergina shell me madu chu wa kapol la papat me no take the picture pol kar shell kre nal ne yora shell me tino ba tino kre polo ento the old nation amatie bomalira tie chohara mete war nim kar shell kre jira di tamete war me as gede me binu ber pinina ngenda me gu jo amete woni awake Uganda revival process kre conference amete war nim yabu johar mana tiara team kono a member me parliament na daho my kwala district yudi salie kameda be won kom me lao parliamentary group bino kwa ko bulu ame do intich ba me na ni o tiuti jatek e kawta yaro keruba yudi salie bino medeni bulu birna ni tiuti choro amero mo konyo gi yudi salie o ko ne gina chala bla parliamentary group gin ngeo ni ba ti nyim dok kin no dusu ber jo me ngeo ba.
So I've come here to officially open this conference and also to say the word that the Holy Spirit has guided me to say in this conference. I'm not a devil worshipper. I'm a true Christian. And I don't worship idols. For me, I worship one God. And forever and ever, that is me.
Ena medanim, ena chala teladang. Pe bina ye twali me war chatan nyu were jok.
I will never go to a witch doctor. Never. Because I know why God has chosen me in this position as a leader. It is also for purpose.
Piman eno te bino kwa yibulu ametia limungech I old nation mena ni ka dok chen o kero ker ba romo lwa.
Have a role to play. After living here, maybe some of you might have already started doing a lot of God's work. But continue bringing on board your fellow youth. Bring them on board, tell them directly the wrong things that they are doing so that they also change their life. Are you ready to do that?
MP Judy Saliek daw te bino kwa yu kosho bulu mena ni mano maho ti chatek pienom anyima bulu ti chingi.
Let me emphasize on the hard work. Hard work. Initiatives and planning for your future. The future is in your hands. It is in your hands. God will bless those who will work hard for themselves.
Acho won kom may yuba man konam akwat ila ruchen bino kobni gen gitie ni wela pola popat bino bedeti ye kun mago yana helo ba wako eka mago ye lobe ameti lobo cholkan
ayoba ni obedo ena mutulung kernyingi awake Uganda Revival Crusade and Conference obedo yoba me roshera me oba okelo e chuny miro mere ya imbale eno keno ya in Netherlands kere kan lune aroba kere tua pinga popol apola papat me Uganda utikere jo ya i Kenya utikere jo ya Soroti utikere jo ya Mbale jo ya Soroti utikere all the districts of Lamu TMT represented kanene donc yobani obedo rocher me wanto neno kirme wako kwa neno ni kanisha neno ni utichoba neno ni otino ba o rochere haginor te rach nyopetia ber o ba roche doka ber ko pelet ko kom ko pe yot kom ko pe kuch ko pe konyer kripik maga me chama ko chatan mi wo bedi tuo chere nyew loko ba kautia arabo katia woranyim katu kede cham katu kede lero katu kede jama pola papata me piertek pirin kiran me berie do mo chuti kede chawa man mimi yinge yo kanyo pope winyo kede yobani ene wa hibeda tie bin chahari chario mo dikona cha boro me diking one to kanisha me all nations gospel church big conference onyo gora me no pun lego park kede woro utichuba mo ba wirugi kede jo amete binu mi yo weroga medang gonyi chunwa kede kubwa kede ba te wornyim eke porra meya chawa mero beru chahercha abun wani nusu me diking bin norre wun kara jelwe ko ba lo kara chekerwa we ko ba mi ni mitu mere pirwai lo wani en melawni chobere
ken kono tie ne jo apol bino no chaire kede gonyo apol apopat ilegoman karshel kede gore man na metia be the old nation bi radio QFM Bobson Obio